Cool.
Hi guys,
Good to know.
and this is my time to read. And right now I'm joining Mr. Ali Abdul's online event via Zoom. And as you can hear his voice via Zoom, yes, I'm joining him now.
Fantastic.
And it's at 8 p.m. on Saturday. I just finished my English teaching lesson at 7 p.m. So I just got to join him for the first time, and you can hear his voice now via my laptop. It's my first time too, and the sound may overlap, but that's okay because I'm very excited for this workshop. And the session is about reset my life or reset the life for the 6 months, in 2025.
We've been running these every 3
For
months.
this clip, it may not be a long clip because I just have to focus on the content
We've been doing them every 3 months
on the screen as well.
For people all around the world. Actually, in January of 2025, we had like
I'm now in
40,000
Thailand
people join from all around the world for our
I'm recording
annual
it
planning
now.
workshop. But
Very
this is halfway through the year, and so the whole idea is that we're going to be reflecting on the first
And for
half of
this
the year.
online course, we will reflect on the first half of 2025 and set goals for the next 90 days. As you can see, I will
And we have a Goodpeer,
drag camera
which
here.
someone in the team is very
Welcome to the summer reset workshop. We will reflect on the finish the first half of 2025 and set goals for the next 90 days.
After the first 4 times
Here,
we did
it's an online and live session and workshop.
Hopefully you all have
That's
been
it.
emailed a link in advance that has the Google Doc. There's a Notion version of it, and there are multiple Google Docs that we've also created as well. I think there's also a PDF version that we're going to include in the chat. So Gio has very kindly put in the link to the Notion page, and we have multiple Google Doc links just in case one of them breaks. So if you've not yet downloaded the templates, feel free to do so. Also, you don't need to use any templates. I quite like using pen and paper. This is my little Lumos Harry Potter notebook thing. So I'm personally going to be using this as my pen and paper thing because I like doing journaling with pen and paper. But you can do what you like. You know, the template is there because people freaking love the template. Okay, so we're going to be reflecting
That's all.
the last 90 days.
And
so
then we have to finish this clip now because it's starting now. Yes. And I'll see you guys later in the next clip with my time to read as well. And I will just also give the feedback for this online event on my YouTube channel. And thank you, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye bye.